Hello! In this tutorial, I'll provide some key information related to scheduled natural ventilation simulations, outside air infiltration, and finally, I'll run a simulation and review some of the key results. Ventilation is the deliberate introduction of outdoor air, generally to meet the respiratory needs of the building occupants.
You can access the full tutorial from Design Builder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Design Builder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Design Builder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.